Welcome to Products Gallery, Smart Shopping and Better Living. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Hello viewers, how are you? Are you looking for best boots shoes with some great features? You have come to the right place. Today I will show you awesome boots shoes. Don't worry, price is very cheapest. Please watch the video and get some idea about these 5 boots shoes. Let's see here. Please subscribe to our channel before watching the video. Let's go. Number 1. Men's Work Safety Boots Shoes. Products by Willemans. Outsole material, rubber. Season summer. Boot type, work and safety. Shaft and lining material, cotton fabric. Upper material, mesh. Heel height flat, 1 cm. Closure type, lace up. Toe shape, round toe. Take your normal size. Boot height, ankle. Price and product information, see the link in the description box. Number 2. New Men Leather Quality Ankle Boots. Products by Yaija. Item type, boots. Lining material, genuine leather. Leather type, cow leather. Heel height, 1 cm to 3 cm. Closure type, slip-on. Boot type, Chelsea boots. Toe shape, round toe. Season, spring, autumn. Boot height, ankle. Price and product information, see the link in the description box. Number 3. Winter Boots Shoes for Men with Zipper. Products by Routine. Boot type, snow boots. Insole material, short plush. Upper material, flock. Outsole material, rubber. Closure type, zip. Season, winter. Heel height flat, 1 cm. Take your normal size. Boot height, ankle. Pattern type, solid. Price and product information, see the link in the description box. Number 4. Breathable Casual Shoes. Products by Hanwild. Item type, casual shoes. Shoes type, basic. Season, summer. Feature, hard wearing. Breathable, massage, sweat, absorbent, anti-odor light. Outsole material, EVA. Lining and upper material, mesh. Closure type, lace up. Pattern type, solid. Price and product information, see the link in the description box. Number 5. Hard-wearing casual men shoes. Products by Soleil. Item type, casual shoes. Shoes type, basic. Outsole material PVC. Feature, hard-wearing. Breathable, sweat, absorbent, light, anti-odor. Lining material, cotton fabric. Upper material, mesh, air mesh. Insole material, EVA. Pattern type, solid. Pattern type, solid. Item type, casual shoes. Price and product information, see the link in the description box. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for new product video. Please comment your feedback.